Hello people and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the best and the most epic road moments scored on driver's dashcam. We got it all, from close calls to road rage and many more. We are in for a really cool episode today, so make sure to grab your snacks and sit tight. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. Driver turned left without checking both lanes, and because of his careless move, he got hit.
Are recorded in browsing history as usual. Various implementation of request OTR protects the user in the following ways. User is prompted and proactively asked upfront whether they wish to have their visit forgotten after they leave. The user's protected the entire time they're visiting a sensitive site.
Running a red light can have serious consequences for you and the rest of the traffic. Always tend to be patient enough to care about the ones around you.
It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia hits FXX, while Bravo also premieres a new season of The Real Housewives of Orange County. And speaking of women,
When you want to pull out onto the road, you need to proceed with caution, especially if your view is blocked by other vehicles or trees.
Feet. Turn left on Main Street.
next left onto North
Falcon
Chestnut
Heavy,
Avenue.
Oh, yes.
which is
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm sorry. My bad.
Alright. A little lighter.
This rude driver pulled out in front of the camera without bothering to look at all, and it came to a crash. More shocking fact is that the driver who pulled out in front even lied to the cops.
It is if it's going to the dog. You son of a...
Did we hit him? Second time?
What the f... You just... You just went off or what? That's cool.
Road driver forced his way in front of the camera, but a karma cop was there as well and he saw it all. I suppose that next time he'll think twice before making something so dangerous. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Comet Dashcam channel. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the fails. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you already have the chance to do so? Make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button because that would mean a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.